Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Blake coming again at y'all for another video. Oh my god, I messed that up. Whatever, I'm gonna keep it rolling. So I know I haven't made a video in a while for you guys. I'm sorry, I've been so busy, but I got my good friend DEVON out here again, so we're gonna make this kind of like a round two, but with a different car this time, because honestly, I'm just curious how this is gonna go. I know you guys have been commenting a lot about you guys will see the 97 Cobra. I know I haven't been posting much about it, so sorry about that. I've been so really just having a lot of fun with the Mach 1, so sorry about that, girl. I'll try to get you more on here. But so I got DEVON, like I said, and I got his really badass 3-valve out here with the 97 Cobra, and we're just gonna see basically what happens, because me and you, we were both wrong on what happened the last time. Oh yeah, way wrong, unfortunately. Yeah. And well, I was just as shocked as he was. That's all good though. And so basically we're just gonna see. It's crazy, this thing's 24 years old. I can't believe it. We're gonna see how this 24-year-old beheaded 165,000 mile original powertrain, this is a mouthful, Cobra Mustang versus his almost fully built. I mean, you got porta heads, cams, full exhaust, gears, tire, I mean, cold air, intake manifold, everything under the sun. And what's your predictions?
Not a super big jump. I think it'll be a slow walk because my car's not that fast. But I think it'll be probably what your car did to mine, is what I'm thinking. Just a jump and a slow pull.
That's what you think?
That's what I think.
Okay. Sure. That sucker right there on a baseline pull that I did with it made 283 wheel horsepower and 264 foot-pounds of torque. Huh? What's up?
That's 70 difference. Yeah, that might be a little bit.
What was that, buddy? What'd you say?
70 rear wheelhouse, 70 rear wheel horsepower more. 280 to 350 basically. Mm-hmm. Okay, I'll stick with my original prediction.
No, hey, this is just for fun. Talk all the shit you want, man.
It might be a walk, but I still don't think it's going to be like Applebee's. I think it's just going to be
a
walk.
Well, you already know what I think.
Yeah.
So my prediction is DEVON's definitely got it. And honestly, I don't care who wins or loses. If I win by chance, I'll be just as shocked as the entire world. But I'm just excited just to get some runs in the Cobra, let you guys see it, and just see how the old girl stacks up. Like I said, high miles, original motor, 3 bolt-ons. It's got a cold air, underdrive pulleys, an H-pipe, well, and gears, so technically 4. Yeah. So he's also got 373s, and I have 355s. T45 transmission, 3650 transmission, running the same tire, so there's that. Yep. And relatively around the same weight. I don't know what an actual SN, the 94 98's weight compared to a S197, but I mean, roughly, I guess, around.
Should be the same. Google says mine's 34 to 36.
Well, the Mach and the S197 was like within 100 pounds of each other, so that should probably be around the same, if I'd say. I would speculate. So it's going to come down to heads and gearing. So all right, guys, so I think he's got it. He thinks he's got it. Let's see what happens. mofo about to leave. Yeah, actually, so you caught us on the road, didn't you?
I did. Hang on.
Yeah, you was out and about. You're like, hold up, let me go ahead and get this on film real quick.
I'm surprised I found y'all. Hold up here.
Going into this, I was asking you for your opinion if I was at race DEVON. What was your feeling? Like, what do you think was going to happen with the mods, 3-valve versus 4-valve, the gearing, all that? What would you think was going to happen?
I thought it was going to be really close. I thought he would edge you, and I think that's what happened, wasn't it?
I'd say so. I thought it was going to be a lot worse.
Yeah, I thought it was going to be close. I try to tell you, 97's fast.
Hey,
you don't give it enough credit, dude. I'm telling you.
You know I love the. You know I love the car.
Yeah.
So all right, I'll let you get out of here.
All right, man.
Now I got to talk to DEVON, but
you guys be safe.
Big dog, give it up. Thanks for coming out.
Oh, absolutely.
Love you. I freaking love you. So yeah. Yep. Stock throttle body, stock intake, stock engine. Yeah, and then you got. What were you feeling the intake manifold? Yeah, not even hot. That's crazy. I hate you, plastic composite. Okay, man, so after doing the races, what did you think? Are you impressed? Are you more mad? Like, what are you...
I'm impressed with the 97, to be honest.
Yeah?
That thing is a beast, all things considered.
I gotta tell you, dude, I mean, like, I always say it's slow because compared to the Mach 1, like, it is, at least to me, but y'all know how much I love that car. And I try to baby it, but yeah, dude, I'm starting to really agree with you guys. I mean, she's a runner, man.
Oh yeah,
she's a runner for 280 horsepower. Like, it puts it down good. I thought it was a really cool race.
Oh yeah,
I'm really glad I got to race you against your highly modified 3-valve. Like, seriously, like I was really excited about that, and I just wanted to stretch her legs. But yeah, first race was a 20. I spun incredibly hard first and second, and the POV version should probably catch that. I don't know if it'll catch it on the other GoPro. And then we did a second run. We decided to do a 40 roll, and you were in the wrong gear.
I was in third instead
you were in third instead of second. You thought in your head we were doing a 60, but we weren't. So that was obviously a fluke.
Yep.
And the third run we did was another 40. That was the one that you guys saw with these two cars. So how old is your car, dude?
It's 2009, so
2009.
12 years.
So 12 years, 3-valve, 24, 4-valve. If this video shows anything, I think it just goes to show for the money. You can't argue with that, dude.
Not really.
It's a cold air, underdrive pulleys, an H-pipe, 355 gears. If I had 373s, dude, I think it'd be a different outcome.
Oh yeah, for sure.
I think it just goes to show gearing can also make the difference, because your 373s, once you shifted is when I was pulling, and then we were right there. Yep. And then towards the top of my power band you were going. So freaking awesome, dude. Love you, Slowbra. Thanks for the sick freaking run. And honestly, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I did. I had an absolute blast kicking it hard with this thing. As you guys know, I don't beat on it too much. So again, stock engine. I'm just pointing that out there. I'm not saying nothing. I'm just saying, I mean, it's a testament, man. It's a testament.
It is.
So 25 years coming up next year. It's gonna be crazy. So I hope you guys liked the video, and I hope you guys really enjoyed DEVON's car. I always love putting him on the channel. He's such a cool guy. He's got such a cool car. He's got a lot of bigger plans for it. So once he does that, I'll be definitely filming all of that for sure. And I have a lot of plans for this too. This car is not gonna be stock forever, and I'm more than excited to start building this thing. It's been well deserved, and chapter 2 for this thing will start, man. I'm looking forward to it. It's gonna be nasty, dude. I'm excited. So
it already is.
I appreciate that, man. Maybe we'll do some more runs or something in the future. But all right, guys, like the video, like, subscribe, share, appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.